Hi, what's up, ATM? This is Marco Massa, and we're going to play Paper Fortune. 6. Sige, 1 na lang, 1. 7. 12. 1.
Question is, ano ang best place na nabisita mo ngayong 2020?
Best place na nabisita ko ngayong 2024? Sasabihin ko nung nag-hiking kami ng Maka sa Mount Kulis. Grabe, sobrang saya, especially kasama ko pa sila. So talagang memorable yun for me this 2024. Again, ATM, this is Marco Massa, and Happy New Year!